I bet you didn't know your daily commute could be this fun. Ready to rev up your daily drive? Let's talk must-drive sports cars you can use every day. First up, we have the Mazda MX-5 Miata. This little beast is all about pure driving joy. Next, the Ford Mustang. Classic looks, modern power, and comfy enough for daily rides. Now, check out the Subaru BRZ. It's got style, agility, and won't break the bank. And don't forget the Porsche 718 Cayman, luxury, performance, and still practical for the grocery run. Last but not least, the Toyota GR86, affordable, fun, and reliable. These rides prove you don't have to sacrifice fun for practicality. So, car enthusiasts, which one's your pick? Tell us in the comments below.